So today I'm going to be showing you how I direct sow in February when there is frost on the ground. There are two things you will need to make this possible. I'm going to show them to you now. So the first one I have here is row cover. Row cover is also known as fleece or agrabah. It's like a lightweight fabric that water can come through, sunlight and air can come through, but it raises the temperature about 4 degrees, so it can keep frost off of your vegetables. All of the vegetables in here are cold hardy, so they can tolerate a frost, but by placing this row cover over top, I'm allowing them to be warmer and more likely to grow during the colder months. In here we have daikon radish and some turnip greens. Second covering I have is called greenhouse plastic or greenhouse film, and this has kept my garden beds about 10 degrees warmer than it is outside in the soil. So in here I have Nigella Love in a Mist flowers planted, and they are thriving. They are frost tolerant, but they were planted late, and so they would not have germinated without this protective covering. So you could also layer both row cover and greenhouse plastic, and that would basically elevate your climate in here to be about 2 zones warmer. I'm in zone 7B8A, and that would mean I would be more like 9 and 10 California. Over in this bed, I'm experimenting and direct sowing into pots, but using this bed as a nursery bed, a holding bed. And right now, the temperature is almost 60 degrees in here. So that's pretty sweet. That's optimal germination for most things in that 60 to 75 degree range. Any day now, these little babies will be sprouting. I also just wanted to mention the hoops that I'm using to hold this up are from Gardeners, and I've got a chicken loose. So the hoops are from Gardeners, and they can also double as a trellis for climbing things like peas, and I'm very happy with them. They are metal and they will not rust. You can also double them up and make them twice as tall, but I was really struggling with having a hoop that would be strong enough to hold and carry the weight of the greenhouse plastic. And previously I was using this plastic tubing that I used to install my irrigation with, and it does great for holding row cover, but row cover is so lightweight, so just thought I'd offer that tip as well.